Hey, y'all want to know my honest review on this palette? Stay tuned. So yes, my friend Candy. Yes, my friend Candy. She's such a blessing. She went ahead and purchased me that palette from Ulta, and I was just like, what the heck? Just out of the clear blue sky. I was like, she is such a sweetheart. Because other than that, I probably would have never purchased it. So you see how I'm ripping open the box. You know what I'm saying? It's taking me forever to edit this video. Like, I did this look this morning, yo, and I'm just numb. But this is the palette. The packaging is cute. I like that. Okay. Pretty pictures on the back. You feel me? We're gonna open this up. See what it do, baby boo. Okay, bubble packaging, so it should not be broke when I open it, right? Okay, okay. Slide to the left. I'm showing y'all right there that it expires in 13 months. Okay, that's a year and 1 month, if y'all did not know. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of the palette. Let's check. I was watching Girlfriends on Netflix. So let's try and come up with a look. Even though they old episodes, it's new to me. Look at all those shades, y'all. So we about to get into a look, period. Okay, y'all, I'm just building up that shade Access. Like this yellow shade right here. Also, I'm not liking, look how this is displayed. Like, look at the pan and the eyeshadow in it. Why is it like that? And this is brand new. Wow. But this is the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous Morphe palette. That collab. But so far so good. I'm really liking the pigmentation. I'm just building it up. So that's what I'm doing on both sides. I don't even know if you would call this a yellow. It's really not. I don't know what to call this color, but it's called Access. I'm gonna do a cut crease. You know what it do, baby. I've seen so many reviews on this palette. Okay. But my friend Candy, she bought this for me. So that's why I'm getting to try it now. Because I probably never would have tried this palette. This palette been out for like 2 years, I think. A year, 2 years. Okay, so I went ahead and packed on Access, which was the first transition shade. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Proud, and that will be my second transition color. Well, I hope y'all liking this tutorial so far. Do y'all see that? How fast I did my cut crease, even though it's a half? But still, I cut down my time, y'all. I bought some paintbrushes off of Amazon. And I watched 𝗂𝗂𝗰𝗵's video and 𝗵𝗵 and I went ahead and finessed that paintbrush. And it's thin as fuck. And look at that fucking cut crease. Hey, get it, Tasha. Look at that cut crease. Period. I think that's what I was saying. Get into it. You see me. You see me, baby. Get into it. Okay, Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collabo. But anyways, I went ahead and used a Real Technique brush. I think that's what it is. Yeah, that is a Real Technique eyeshadow blending brush. And I basically went back into the shade Proud. Then I went into the shade Top Secret. And then I packed on Coin, Guilt Trip, and VIP. Okay. And then that part. Yes, yes. Get into it. You see me. Ooh. This palette is the truth, though. I use, how many shades come here? 10 shades came in here in this palette. And I used, how many shades today? I used a total of 5 colors out of the 10. This palette right here is the truth. It really, really is. I like that it comes with a mirror and everything. So far, so good. You know. So, yes, like I said, I went into the shade. What is that shade again? That shade is called Coin. I went into Guilt Trip as well. And then VIP. Like you get VIP up in the club. Well, when the club was open. Yeah. Those were the days. Anyway, let me put some music back on. Because, see, I just start talking for no reason. Get back into it. Okay, so overall, my honest review on this palette, the pigmentation is bomb as hell. It's really good. I love the outside packaging. I don't like how these pans are looking. Like, y'all, they just threw this in here. Like, I do like it. It comes with a mirror and the names are on there. You don't have to save no plastic. It did come with the plastic shield. Other than that, I'm gonna do a glitter wing. And then do my face and then take some pictures. I think I'm gonna do that off camera. I really just wanted to really dig into this eyeshadow palette because I've been had it. I'll just come in here to bless y'all with another sleigh. You feel me? But yo, I think I'm gonna do a glitter wing. Or just do a black bold wing. I don't know what to do. Well, as you can tell, I decided to add some sunny glitter from Zealous Glitters. And I did a bold ass matte black wing.